So I took the DR out for its maiden voyage the other day, off-road, and as you can see there's a little bit more damage to it. Of course I managed to lay it down on one of the hill descents, stretched the windscreen up, bent the handlebars, bent the rear view mirror, got it quite dirty. It started to rain. I think that was half the reason. These trail wings are not known as the greatest tyres in the rain. So all in all, fared out really well. Didn't do any lasting damage to the bike. Put this crease in the plastic. There was already a little one there, but it's much bigger now. Like I said, bent the handlebars, which we're about to fix now, and scratched up the windscreen, which I haven't even given the bike a wash yet. Hopefully I can polish some of that out. But yeah, really happy with the way the bike went. The suspension was really good. Need to put new front tyre on. I need to replace the handlebars and do some cleanup work on it, but apart from that, really happy with the way it went, considering what it is. It kept up with a KTM 450. Well, when I say kept up, it went everywhere the KTM 450 went. He was way out in front of me most of the time. But yeah, I'm going to change the vacuum operated fuel tap too. I've ordered a standard one, and when I did the carby upgrade, I removed the internal filter to the carby, so I need to add an external fuel filter to it before I get too far down the road. But yeah, kickback. First of the tech series on the DR is going to be to change these handlebars out to a set of Renthal twin walls I've got. First thing I'm going to do is take off the hand guards. So that is a 5mm Allen key, 10mm spanner. These are bark busters. It's a 10mm spanner, and I've got a pair of Leatherman pliers if I need them. I'll take this mirror off. Normally I wouldn't worry about it, but I've bent this one, so I need to either straighten it or I need to get another one. So I'll take it off. I don't know if you can see that, but yep, she's bent. Probably just get away with a new stud actually. I'll see what I can get from Suzuki. So the next step is going to be to remove this GPS and then do the same thing. I'm going to remove the bark buster. I'm going to loosen the controls so I can slide them off, and I'm going to loosen the perch for the clutch. Just need to undo this 10mm nut. And we'll loosen this back one off. and undo the clamp in the end of the handlebar. There you go, that should release the handguard. Then we get a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. There should be 2 screws. There should be 2 screws. Looks like that one holds the choke cable in place. This looks like it's been glued on. I'm just going to put a small Allen key up between the grip and the handlebar and see if I can break the glue. You could do the same thing with a small screwdriver. Heaps of glue. Whoever put them on did a good job. But I think I've managed to save it enough till we get the new ones on. So we'll remove all these. The fat bars are fatter than these standard bars. So these are 7/8 or 22 mil diameter. The ones I've got are 28 mil or 1.1 inch. So we've got adapters. Dropped a bit. We've got adapters to bolt to these original perches and make up the difference. The theory goes I should be able to create just enough slack here to slide. these off. Inside this control block and inside the control block on the other side, there's these little locating pins. I need to take them off because the rental bars don't have them. So I'll go and get some tools. I'll come back and I'll cut these off, file them down. I've eventually found what I need, which is a round file and a Stanley knife. I just cut the as much of the nib off as I could with the Stanley knife and clean him up with the file. Spider's web in there. It's caught hold of my bit of plastic. I want to get that out so it doesn't get caught in any of the controls while I'm trying to ride. I don't know why a spider would want to live in there.